Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kamsy. Today I'll be cooking egusi soup. It's a Nigerian delicacy. I'm just going to show you everything I'm going to use for my cooking before we get into the cooking. Thank you. Here is the beef tripe. Some call it towel. Then this is cow meat, red meat. This is my leaf, bitter leaf. This is egusi. I like this one in particular because I'm going to have to wash it myself, blend it myself. Then this is scotch bonnet. We've got the fresh fish, we've got the red oil. The product is the healthier palm oil. It's carotino product. I've got my salt, I've got my Maggi cube, and I've got my cow leg. I've got catfish fillets. I've also got the stockfish. Yeah, and that's it. That's just everything I'm going to use for my cooking. Egusi meat, leaf, fish, pepper, oil, salt, crayfish, my Maggi, cow legs, and crayfish. Thank you. See you in a bit. So I started by cooking the beef tripe first because it takes a longer time to cook before the cow meat. So I'll be putting my cow meat now, right now. Then I will allow it to cook properly before I put in the cow leg. So right now I just added the fresh fish and Maggi stock and salt so that it gets into meat properly and make it taste properly. You don't want to eat fish or meat and you don't feel the taste in it. So yeah, see you again in a bit. So here you get the egusi. I already blended, I washed and I blended it already. So I'm gonna wait for the meat, the stock to get properly cooked. Then I do the next ingredient to go in there should be the red oil, and then after that I'll put the cow leg. The reason why I'm still leaving the cow leg is because it's already cooked. As you can see, it's already cooked, it's soft. So if I put it inside with the other meat and the other stock, it's gonna be too soft. So for now I'm just leaving it aside, but I'm gonna join it later with the other meat when I've put the red oil. And then the last ingredient to go in will be the egusi and the bitter leaf. That will be that for now. I just added my egusi, but before that I'd already added the palm oil, which is this, and I already added the egusi right now. So I'm going to leave it again to cook properly before I put in the last ingredient, which is the bitter leaf, and that will be that. Then I'll show you what my soup looks like at the end of everything. Thank you. Here it's really boiling. You can see. Yep. Looking sweet. I can't wait to have this with either gari, semovita, pounded yam, or I lick it up. Yes, you heard me right. I lick it, like have it as a soup without anything else. Yeah, that is it. I will be showing you in a bit how everything went. So here is the final product of my egusi soup. Yeah, thank you everybody for watching my video and seeing how I prepared my egusi soup today. Right now I'm going to be having the egusi soup with my husband, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Thank you, love you.